यार मेरा सारा पैसा मैंने ना क्रिप्टो में डाल दिया था और अब तो हर दिन नीचे जा रहा है. क्या करूं भाई?
Worried about crypto winters? Unsure what to do next? Let me help you. A cryptocurrency winter is a term used in the industry to describe a prolonged drop in cryptocurrency values. For inexperienced investors, crypto winters can be unexpected and difficult to manage. So here are few tips to survive this. Tip 1. Invest wisely. Since crypto is highly risky and volatile, intelligent investors avoid investing more than they can afford to lose. Tip 2. Evaluate before investing. Review every crypto proposal carefully as each has its own group controlling it. Some have turned out to be frauds as well. So it's best to evaluate every proposal before investing. Tip 3. Don't follow the herd blindly. Wall Street bets and other online groups are fun places to study and discuss crypto investments, but don't believe all they say. When investing in cryptocurrency, stick to your goals and limitations. Tip 4. Consider buying the dip. If you feel that crypto downfall is temporary, invest at lower prices in the hopes of buying low and watching your portfolio's value increase as the markets rebound. Save this video for later use so that whenever there is a crypto winter going on, you can watch this video and calm yourself down. And follow Thinking Bridge for more.